Right, hey guys, so today we have the pyjama subscription box. Quite fitting because I'm actually still in my pyjamas. I've been really lazy today. I haven't opened it up or anything like that, so let's have a sneak. So first thing you see when you open it up is they've changed it a little bit now. You've got a little thing on the front which just says, "Thank you for your order of pyjama subscription box, wrapped with love from pyjama subscription box." I'll pop their website and their Instagram handle down below anyway. It says, "Luxury pyjama box delivered to your door each month. Our main aim is to deliver the comfort you deserve straight to your door. Every month you'll receive a new design of soft, high quality pyjamas and glamorous gifts." So just thank you for your purchase on the little sticker there. And let's get into the good bits. I'm actually wearing my pyjamas from last time as well. So we have a hot chocolate. I love Galaxy hot chocolate. I can't wait. I'm going to try that tonight. I'm still just in the pyjamas. Oh. And then we have the Simply Soft Deep Cleansing Complete Facial Wipes. There's 30 in this pack. Nice, paraben free. It just says, contains vitamin B3, witch hazel and soothing aloe vera extract. Removes makeup and unwanted oils from deep in the skin. I don't really use face wipes very often. It's quite a nice little thing. And then we have the Scent Craft Company Sweet Orange Soap. Oh, that smells nice. Have a open that and have a look at that. Oh, that's pretty. So there's that. Oh, that smells so nice. Little flower soap. And obviously soap is real handy to have, especially at the moment. And then we have the Scent Craft Company again. And these are wax melts. It doesn't tell me the scent. See if I can have a whiff and see what these are. So let's have a look at what we have. Ooh, okay. So it says here it's a rhubarb and custard wax melt. Oh, that does smell nice. And that's like the pattern on it. The real big slab too. That does smell really, really nice. I do have a wax melt burner. Can't wait to try that. And what else? And then we have the pyjamas. Oh, these are so nice. There we have that. And oh my god, it's so long. It's like a pyjama top. Oh, and it's Winnie the Pooh. I love Winnie the Pooh. Put below who your favourite Winnie the Pooh character is. Mine is definitely Eeyore. And it just says Friends Forever on it. That is so cute. Oh, that's lovely. And then also have then some pyjama bottoms with all of the characters on as well. And this is mine is size 8 to 10. And all the cuff bottoms. Oh, I love pyjama subscription box. I really, really do. It is it's very quickly become my favourite box. Next month I'm going to be having the upgraded box. This one I think is the $19.99 box. And there's one more above it, so I'm really excited for the pyjamas. So we had the gorgeous Winnie the Pooh pyjamas, which I'll pop these on tonight, and I'll pop a post onto Instagram, or I might put them on right away. Might put them on right away actually. So we had the gorgeous pyjamas. We had the facial wipes, a Galaxy hot chocolate, the really nice smelling orange soap, and then we also had the rhubarb coated wax melt as well. This box is, I've had two boxes, but this is my favourite box. These pyjamas, and they are official Disney by the looks of it as well. But I do love this box. Again, I will put all the links down below for you so that you can check them out if you want to. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. They are just a really, really good company, and they're quite local to me. And yeah, that is the box. It's a very, very short video today, but I love this box. So yeah, if you do, I'll also put my Instagram down below if you want to see what the pyjamas look like on. And I'm now going to go and probably enjoy my hot chocolate. Thanks for watching, guys, and I can't wait to see my next video. See ya!